Hi, this is Aprajita from Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. In this video, we will learn how to configure backup for Experience Portal Manager in Avaya Aura Experience Portal 6.x. We will begin this exercise by opening the Web Administration access for Experience Portal Manager in a browser and then giving username as admin and its respective password to log into the system. Click on Log On. This is the home page for Experience Portal Manager. If you look at the left hand side, we have to go to System Backup residing under System Management. Click on this. This opens up a System Backup web page. We can use this web page to perform backup operations or maybe click on the edit icons against them to change the configurations already done on this page. We can configure the backup server, backup scheduler, as well as the components that we want to backup on this server. Let's first look at the details of the backup server. Click on the edit button. This shows us the details which can be modified, and we can configure a different server address, backup folder or server type. Let's verify whatever is configured here by clicking Verify button. It verifies the configurations, and in a pop-up window it shows us the outcome. It says that the backup server was configured locally. Now we can close this window. If you look down here, we have the number of backups to retained. By default, this is 3. We can even change this value. And to save any of the configuration changes made, click on the button Save. It sends us back to the System Backup web page, and there is a message showing that the information entered by you has been saved on the system. Now let's look at the backup scheduler configurations by clicking on this edit icon. It opens a backup scheduler web page where we can define the schedule for the backup. It can be none, one time, daily, weekly or monthly. Let's choose weekly on Sunday at 0 hours and save the changes. So if we look here, the backup schedule has been configured for weekly on Sunday at 0 hours. Now let's configure the backup components for the system by clicking Edit icon here. Here we can configure the name of the files and specific folders which we want to add to the backup schedule. So these folders and files will be backed up every time a backup is run on the system. So let me give this folder, for instance, to be added in the backup schedule. I click on Add. And if we look down, this folder has been added for the backup. Click on Save to save the changes. Once all the configurations are done, and when we scroll down on this page, we can even see the information about the backup history on this system. But this is empty, being there was no backup which was taken prior to this on this Experience Portal Manager system. I'll click on Backup now to see how the backup works. It says On Demand Backup is in progress, and we see a package listed down. And this package nomenclature is such that it starts with PKG, followed by the version of Experience Portal running on the system, followed by the timestamp when this backup was taken. Next, what we are going to do is we will open a console window. Log in here with super user, change directory to /opt/avaya/backup because this was the destination provided by us for a backup on the system. Hit enter. Run command ls-ltr to see the listing under this folder. We see the same package information available here. And this is where the backup has been taken. So this completes our demonstration. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you for watching. For any questions, comments or feedback, please write to mentor@avaya.com or follow us on Twitter at Avaya Mentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.